I'm Steve McCulley. I'm going to do a quick walk around video on this Jeep SRT8 you're interested in. I told you we haven't detailed it yet. There's stuff still in it. It's got the doors on the SRT8 in the center there. Back is a little dirty, but like I said, we will detail the vehicle. Also pop the window on this one. Looks like it's got a little ding right by the gas cap there. $54,877 on the mileage. My cell phone number is the best way to reach me. Area code 317-384-4999. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day.